This video is only for educational purpose. If you did anything illegal, only you will be responsible for it. Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. In today's video, we will learn how we can install Kali Linux in any Android device, whether it is rooted or not. I will give the link of a website in the description box where you can find all the commands that I am going to use in this video. So don't forget to visit that website for all the commands. Now without wasting your time, let's start the video. First open termux and now clear the terminal. Now update the termux by the command pkg update and press enter. Now it will depend upon your internet speed, so just wait for it, and where it asks for anything just press Y. Now we are going to give the permission of storage to termux, so type termux -setup -storage. Press enter. Now a window will appear, you have to just press allow. Now we are going to install a package wget, so for that we are going to use the command pkg install wget. So it will take some time and it also depends upon your internet speed, and so just wait for it and press Y. Now the wget package is installed successfully on your device. Now we are going to use this package to install or to download the script for installing Kali Linux on your device. So just type wget and paste the link that is given in the website. So it is downloaded, you can see by typing ls. Now here it is, but it is not executable. We are going to give the permission of execution to it, so just type chmod +x and the file name. Now type ls, you can see it is in now green, it is executable. Now just type /install net enter. Now here choose the version. Now it will install all the files, it will take a lot of time, so just wait for it. It will extract the root files that is needed for it. It will take around 15 minutes, so just wait for it. Now press Y to delete the root file. Now you can see that Kali net enter for termux installed successfully. So now it is installed successfully. You can use this by just typing net enter in the termux whenever you need it. So now you can see I am in the Kali Linux. So that's all for today. Hope you liked it, and don't forget to subscribe my channel, and all the commands are given on the website, so the link of the website is given in the description box. Thank you, thanks for watching.